Can a simple 5-cent coin from Canada really be worth $262 or even more? Sounds unbelievable, right? But what if I told you some collectors are paying hundreds of dollars for the right version of this coin? Today on CoinXplore, we're diving deep into the 2004 Canada 5-cent coin, also known as the Canadian nickel, to uncover its real value, rare varieties, and hidden secrets you must know before selling or collecting. Make sure you watch till the end, because one tiny detail could turn your 5-cent coin into a big payday. Let's start with the basics. The 2004 Canada 5-cent coin was issued by the Royal Canadian Mint, one of the most advanced mints in the world. Here are the key details. Year 2004. Country, Canada. Denomination, 5 cents. Composition, nickel-plated steel. Weight, about 3.95 grams. Diameter, 21.2 millimeters. This coin is magnetic because of its steel composition. So yes, it sticks to a magnet. Over 130 million coins were minted, making it a very common coin in circulation. Now let's talk about the design, because collectors love details. Obverse front features Queen Elizabeth II with the inscription, Elizabeth II DG Regina. Reverse back, a classic Canadian symbol, the beaver sitting on a log. This beaver design has been used on Canadian nickels for decades and represents Canada's wildlife and history. All right, now the big question, how much is this coin really worth? In normal condition, circulated coins, about 4 cents to 20 cents USD. High grade, uncirculated, up to $10 to $40 plus in rare cases. So yes, most of these coins are only worth a few cents. But here's the twist. Some sellers online claim values like $262 or more, but is that real? The truth, regular coins are not worth hundreds. Only rare conditions, errors, or special editions can reach high values. Let's break down how this coin could reach high value like $262. Mint errors, off-center strike, double die, misprint, or missing details. Error coins are extremely rare, and collectors pay big money for them. Perfect condition, MS 65 or higher. No scratches, strong shine, sharp details. Coins graded in near-perfect condition can jump dramatically in price. Special collector versions. Proof coins, specimen sets. These versions were not meant for circulation and are much rarer. Market demand, sometimes hype and collector demand, can push prices up temporarily. Let's be honest for a second. Most 2004 Canadian nickels you find in your pocket are common coins. Even collectors online say, common coins are usually worth face value unless they have rare errors. So before you get excited about a $262 price tag, make sure your coin actually has something special. Here's how you can check your coin right now. Look for errors. Use magnifying glass. Check shine and condition. Test with a magnet. Compare with online listings. Consider professional grading. So, is the 2004 Canada 5 cents coin worth $262? The answer, most are not, but rare ones absolutely can be. And that's what makes coin collecting so exciting. You never know what treasure is hiding in your pocket. Comment below. Have you ever found a rare coin? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing coin value discoveries.